Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is David. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a unboxing of the MetaQuest Pro. It is the updated, most current version of the Oculus Quest 2. Now the hardware is a lot different from the Oculus Quest 2. This one is painted with, all black, and the Oculus Quest 2 is all white or off-white. Ooh, a lot of air pockets here. Oh, if you guys can see, there it is. Comes with a nice, shiny, new box. I'm just gonna keep talking. Inside the box, there's the MetaQuest Pro headset, 2 MetaQuest Touch Pro controllers, the charging dock, the power adapter, the controller charging cable, 2 stylus tips, 2 light blockers, cable clip, protective cover, cleaning cloth, and 2 wrist straps. Trying to get this sucker out here. I'm sliding it out. Okay, push it out. This thing has some weight to it. Okay. Up here. Okay, whatever. Running out of room. Wow, look at that. This thing was firmly secure in the box. As you can tell, everything fits perfectly, so there won't be any movement during shipping. And like they said there's the controller. Ooh, the grip feels much more ergonomic. Even the trigger right here on the controller has this smooth, kind of like buttery feel to it. You can tell there's some really good rubber here that helps you with the grip, and the little joystick has much more grip power to it. Everything feels smooth on the buttons. This is awesome looking. Here's your right controller. Wow, it feels like it has a lot of components in there. It's heavy. And here's the headset, folks. Wow, I can tell from just the looks of it, you can wear this for a lot longer period of time than the Oculus Quest 2. I had the Oculus Quest 2, and it was a bit uncomfortable after, say, about an hour or so. You start to feel it around your head. This here looks like it was designed more ergonomical, just like the remote, where it will feel more comfortable as time goes on while you're playing it. Look at that gloss on that. Okay. What else is here? This is the light cover, the shade, or the protective wear. It's to cover the goggles up in the front there. Okay, and here is the charging. Here is the charging cables. That's the charging brick. And here are that's the controller charge cable. Then this is the charging dock station charge cable. Oh, got this. Nicely hidden under this controller cushion. Here are the light blockers. And this doesn't block all the lights, so it's not going to be totally dark. They do sell the 100% light blockers. It's about $50. I'm not 100% sure, but look it up. There are some that you can buy to give it that full darkness. But as you can see, it snaps on real quick because it's magnetic. It's supposed to look like that. And here's the other one. Okay. And there you go. That partially blocks out the light. There it is.